Hey guys, it's Suzanne Mosley with Paper Pie. I'm so excited that you're here. If you are watching this video, you probably found my playlist for classical conversations and homeschooling families, so welcome. I wanted to do a quick video. We have done classical conversations for well over a decade. I've lost count. And one thing that I remember about foundations when my boys were younger was the presentation. It could kind of become the tail that wags the dog every week. So here are some pro tips how you can use some resources from Paper Pie to make presentations easier. First, I'm going to show you a little methodology that someone shared with me. You can fold a regular sheet of paper into 6 squares or into 4. And so what I would do with my boys when they were younger, they would draw pictures on each square, and they would use this as their little note cards to walk through their presentation. So like the first one, I would have them draw a picture of themselves. They would introduce themselves. And then here, a picture about what their topic was. And maybe a couple of pictures about what they wanted to share about whatever their topic was. And then the last one would have a question mark. This concludes my presentation. Does anyone have any questions? So that could be for a very young kiddo, or for an older kiddo, you could do the same thing. Beginning introduction, end with questions, and then you would have four squares where they could share the information for their presentation. And this is another hack related to presentations that we used. So I highly recommend these 3 reading sets. If you're watching this, we're going into cycle 1. And honestly, all of these are great for different parts of science and history that we are doing for cycle 1. Volcanoes and clouds and weather and all the things. So what I would do when they were younger, we would, let's pick the Egyptians. So we would pick one of these books. I would read it with them before they could read, and then we would put little sticky notes to tag the information that they wanted to share. Then they would transfer those facts either with words to prompt them or pictures onto their presentation sheet, and they would do that presentation. As they got older and could read, I would have them pick a book out each week. Okay, which book are you doing this week? And they might do, we're talking about birds, cycle 1. They might do penguins, read the book themselves, and then work through this document to come up with their presentation. And the other hack with presentations is our community day is Monday. So on Tuesday, they would pick their topic. On Wednesday, they would find a source, usually one of these, and read through that source and pick 3 to 5 facts that they wanted to share. Thursday, they would transfer it to their practice sheet. And then Friday, they would practice their presentation 3 times. And then again on Sunday night or Sunday afternoon, they would practice it a couple more times so that they're ready on Monday. I found by doing it incrementally during the week and doing it little by little and having an assigned goal with the presentation for each day, that it made it less overwhelming. So Tuesday was pick the topic, Wednesday was find your sources and do your research, Thursday transfer it to your sheet of paper, Friday practice, and then our community day was Monday, so we would practice again Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. So I hope that's helpful, and know that you can use these very easily for presentations, or honestly any of our books from Paper Pie as sources for presentations, and grab your sticky notes and you're good to go. So if I can serve you in any way, feel free to contact me. SuzanneSharesBooks.com is my site, or contact me through YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Thanks, friends.